Firstly, I welcome you all guys to the ServiceNow training guys. Okay, let me quickly start with my introduction. Myself, Uday Gadiparthi. I have 13 plus years experience in IT. And luckily, I started my career in IT as a ServiceNow administrator. Okay, I have total 13 plus years experience in ServiceNow itself. So I started my career with a ServiceNow administrator role itself, guys. So I have total my experience into ServiceNow platform itself. Okay, I started my career at HCL Technologies as a fresher and Bangalore, and I got chance to work for Cognizant. So that is also in Bangalore. Then I have got chance to work for Hexware, which is actually Chennai based. Now I am actually working for Microland company as a solution architect. Okay. Now currently I am working as a solution architect in the Microland company. Well, I am a certified system administrator and certified application developer and certified implementation specialist. I am also an integration specialist. I have specialization in service portal as well. And I have specializations in operations management. So in my entire journey, I have got chance to work for lot of elements in ServiceNow platform, guys. Okay. I have got extensive experience in ServiceNow platform. I have got chance to work for multiple clients. I worked for Deutsche Bank line. Then I worked for Society General. I worked for Society General. Worked for KPMG client through Hexaware. Now I am actually working for WM project. WM stands for Waste Management. Waste Management is a very big company in the US, guys. So I am working for a client called Waste Management through Microland. Well, I like reading blogs. I like going swimming. These are my hobbies, guys. This is quick introduction about myself. About myself. Okay. Well, let us come to the ServiceNow platform. We all are here to understand ServiceNow platform. What is ServiceNow? What exactly ServiceNow does in the IT organizations? That is what we will understand in detail in today's session. Before we understand, answer me frankly, guys. How many of you know what is software? How many of you know what is software? Can guys please answer me in the chat. What is software? Please ping me in the chat that you don't know. Rajeshwari, you have a good name. Okay. Well, guys, yeah. So somebody has answered. It's a programming language to understand computer language. Yes, I agree. Good answer. Okay, let me answer you. What is software? Software is a programming language to make the computer understand. computer understand. So here, what exactly we need to make the computer understand? What exactly we need to make the computer understand? Let us say, let us say, in the softwares, we have different softwares, guys. We have embedded software. Embedded software. Okay. Embedded software. And we have operating systems. Operating systems. We have standalone applications. We have standalone applications. We have games. We have mobile applications. We have web applications. So these all comes under software, guys. Embedded software. What exactly is embedded software? So embedded software means remotes. Remotes comes under embedded software. So if you want to control the device using software, we will use embedded software. So let us say if you want to turn on the AC using remote, we'll use embedded software. If you want to turn on the TV using remote, we will use embedded software. Okay. We'll use embedded software. To control the physical devices, we'll use embedded software. To control the physical devices, we'll use embedded software. Operating systems. So what are operating systems? Windows, Linux, Linux, and we have AIX. So these are actually operating systems. So operating systems are also comes under software. So standalone applications. What are standalone applications? Video cutters, audio cutters. Now we can say video editors, audio editors. So these comes under standalone applications. Okay. And we have games. We know game applications. Game applications. Mobile applications we all know, which we use it in mobiles. Which we use it in mobiles. So web applications. Web applications means, guys, that can be accessed using internet. Any application that can be accessed using internet is actually a web application. So here we have these many types of softwares are there. These many types of softwares are there. So in these softwares, we will write a programming language to understand the systems. Okay. So instead of computer, I'm actually writing system understand. So we have these many softwares are there, guys. We have these many softwares are there. We have embedded software, operating systems, standalone applications, games, mobile applications, web applications. So these all require software. We will write a programming language to make the system understand. Okay. So here, ServiceNow comes under web application. ServiceNow is a web application. So web application software. Okay. So Salesforce. Salesforce also comes under web application. AWS comes under web application software. Okay. So if you take Salesforce, ServiceNow, AWS, anything, you will be accessing using internet. You don't need to install any software on your laptop. You don't need to install any application in your laptop. So I am accessing my service now using internet. Okay, I am accessing my service now using internet. I don't have to install any application in my laptop. Here, I just need a proper working laptop with a proper internet connection. Proper working laptop with a proper internet connection. So as it is a ServiceNow is a web application, as ServiceNow is a web application, we will access ServiceNow over the internet. Over the internet. So Salesforce is also a web application. So the difference between Salesforce and ServiceNow is that ServiceNow is actually a automation tool, whereas Salesforce is something related to sales related application. Okay, so both have different purposes, guys. Okay, so ServiceNow is something related to organizations that are used to automate the process. Organizations use ServiceNow to automate their processes. So now here ServiceNow comes under web application. Hope this is clear for everyone. ServiceNow comes under web application. This is clear for everyone, right? Okay, very good to hear. So we'll understand what is ServiceNow. ServiceNow is a web application which is used to automate the process in the organization, which is used to automate the process in the organizations. What process we can automate it in the organization using ServiceNow? Suppose, guys, let us take TCS company as an example. In the TCS company, there are 4 lakhs employees. Okay. Every employee is coming to office at what time? Every employee is leaving the office at what time? How much time each employee is spending in the office? How much time each employee is spending in the office per day? How much time each employee is spending in the office per week? How much time each employee is spending in the office per month? So likewise, every employee is coming to office at what time? Every employee is leaving the office at what time? How much time he is spending in the office? How much time every employee is spending in the office per day, per week, per month? We can actually automate this process in the organization. Okay, we can track everything using ServiceNow tools. So this kind of processes we can automate it. So this we can call it as time management. Time management. So we can automate this process using ServiceNow. So let me give you another example here. The second example is TCS has some recruitment process. So recruitment process in the sense TCS company has some recruiters. What they does, they will download resumes from the job portal. They will download resumes from the job portal. After downloading the resumes, they will actually talk to the candidate. After discussing with the candidate, if he is interested, recruiter will actually send the resumes for shortlisting. Once resumes are shortlisted, first round of interview will be conducted, then second round of interview will be conducted, then finally HR discussion will be conducted, and finally offer letter will be released. So this recruitment process can be automated in ServiceNow. Recruitment management. This process can be automated in ServiceNow. Let us say the TCS organization, let us take there is a building. In that building, there are 4 conference rooms. Conference rooms in the sense meeting rooms. So in that building, there are 4 meeting rooms. So to utilize that meeting room, we have to book that meeting room first. We have to book that meeting room first. So let us say I have booked the one meeting room. Okay, in the first floor, there is a meeting room. I have booked that meeting room on Monday morning, 11 to 12. If another team is trying to book that room Monday from 11 to 12, if they try to book that room, we should not allow them. We should not allow them. They have to choose another room. They have to choose meeting room 2 on Monday 11 to 12. If that room is also allocated to someone, they have to choose third room. If that room is available to utilize, they can book the third room. So if there are 4 meeting rooms, they have to book first to utilize that room. If that book is the room is already booked, means we have to choose another room. So that conference room management, okay, conference room management. So that process can be automated. Okay, that process can be automated. Let me give you fourth example here. So you joined in a company. You need a laptop. So you need a laptop. For that laptop, you have to request. Okay, you have to request. So once you request the laptop, the first approval will go to manager. Once the manager approved, it will go to the laptop team. So once the task is assigned to laptop team, they will provide the laptop. They will provide you the laptop. So that process can be automated in ServiceNow. Laptop request management. Okay. So later, let us say employee has resigned the company. Employee has resigned the company. And after resigning the company, first of all, manager, he has to talk to the manager. After manager's approval, he has to serve the notice period. He has to surrender his laptop, ID card, and if there is any pending dues, he has to submit. And then finally, his exit will be confirmed. So that exit management process can be automated in ServiceNow. Likewise, every process in the organization can be automated using ServiceNow. Okay, every process in the organization can be automated using ServiceNow. So here, if you see, like we are customers to the DMart, like we are customers to the DMart, like we are customers to the Reliance. Okay, like we are customers to the Reliance, like we are customers to the what we say more. So all IT companies are customers to ServiceNow company. All IT companies are customers to ServiceNow company. Okay, so like we are customers to DMart, like we are customers to Reliance, like we are customers to more. All IT companies are customers to ServiceNow company. So TCS is a customer to ServiceNow company. Wipro is a customer to ServiceNow company, and Cognizant is a customer to ServiceNow company. Deloitte is a customer to ServiceNow company. So all these companies will go to ServiceNow company. They will purchase ServiceNow product. Okay. First of all, as I mentioned already, like we are customers to DMart and Reliance, all IT companies are customers to ServiceNow company. Okay. So here when TCS want to use ServiceNow platform, first TCS company will contact ServiceNow company. So okay, we want to use your ServiceNow platform to automate our organization processes. Something like that, TCS will contact ServiceNow company. Then ServiceNow company will say that you have to pay this much amount, only then we can provide our product to you. Okay. Then TCS will pay some amount to ServiceNow company, and ServiceNow company will provide a ServiceNow product to TCS company. Similarly, Wipro company will go to ServiceNow company. Okay. Wipro company will go to ServiceNow company. and Wipro company says that we want to use your ServiceNow product to automate our processes, then Wipro will actually buy ServiceNow product from ServiceNow company. Then Cognizant will go to ServiceNow company. Cognizant will go to ServiceNow company to purchase the ServiceNow product. And ServiceNow company will say that you have to pay this much amount, then we can provide you the ServiceNow product. Likewise, every company will go to ServiceNow company and they will purchase ServiceNow product to automate their business processes in the organization. Okay. Do you understand, guys, what exactly ServiceNow does and all? Everyone? Okay. Okay. So I'm actually adding one more comment here. ServiceNow is an enterprise web application. What is this enterprise? Enterprise means companies use enterprise web applications. So enterprise web application. So enterprise web application means companies uses ServiceNow platform. Companies uses ServiceNow platform. So like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, Capgemini, Deloitte, EY, KPMG, Shell. So all these companies, all IT companies use ServiceNow platform to automate their business processes in their organizations. Well, we will now understand about the ServiceNow company. ServiceNow company, okay, was started in 2004. ServiceNow company was started in 2004. It is actually based out of USA, California. Okay. ServiceNow is actually based out of USA, California. We have ServiceNow office in Hyderabad as well, guys. Okay. And now we are in 2024. So that means it is successful. It is successful in the market for 20 years. It is successful in the market for 20 years. So I'm repeating, guys, it will be successful for next 20 years. Okay. It will be successful in the market for next 20 years. So mark my words, guys. It is a great tool to work with. Okay. And when it was started, the founder is actually Fred Luddy. He is the founder. Okay. And Bill McDermott is actually the current CEO. Okay. The current CEO is actually Bill McDermott. Guys, when ServiceNow was started, the name of ServiceNow company is GlideSoft. GlideSoft. Later, after 4 years, it is renamed as ServiceNow. Okay. The first name of the ServiceNow company is GlideSoft. Later, it is renamed as ServiceNow. Okay. So this is actually history of ServiceNow platform, guys. Okay. What are all the things that we have to learn in ServiceNow? So what are all the prerequisites required to learn ServiceNow? Guys, no prerequisites required. No prerequisites required to learn this ServiceNow platform. But in ServiceNow, for customizations, we'll be using JavaScript. So JavaScript is different. Java is different. Okay. Java is a separate language. JavaScript is a separate language. Okay, in ServiceNow, we will be using JavaScript for customizations. So we'll be using basic JavaScript, guys, because ServiceNow is a low-code platform. Okay, so we'll be using basic JavaScript. So here, this basic JavaScript, I am going to teach you as part of this training. Okay, so apart from this JavaScript, no other language is required to learn ServiceNow platform. I am going to explain about this JavaScript basics. Basic JavaScripting is fine, guys. No need to learn advanced JavaScripting because 80% of the customizations you can do it using configurations. Only 20%, 15 to 20% customizations you have to do it using script. That we will be learning as part of this. I am going to teach this JavaScript basics as well. Okay. In ServiceNow platform based on your experience. The packages normally you get is 10 LPA if you have 3 years experience IT. If you have 3 years experience, you can get up to 10 LPA. You can get up to 24 LPA if you have 6 years experience. If you have 6 years experience, you can get up to 24 LPA, guys. 24 LPA. If you have 9 years experience around, you can get 45 lakhs LPA. Okay. The packages in ServiceNow platform is huge, guys, and you have on-site opportunities. Okay. You have on-site opportunities. You have remote jobs. You have a lot of remote jobs in ServiceNow platform, guys. You can work from your home as well. You don't even go to office. And recently, one guy has got job called Srikant, and he has got job in Infosys company for an IKEA project. Okay, so the IKEA client is no longer is asking employees to work from office. So every employee is actually working remotely. They don't even have to go to office. Okay, so likewise, you have a lot of remote jobs, and if you are flexible to work in, if you are flexible to work in UK hours or US hours, you will get plenty of remote jobs. You don't even have to go to office. So recently one of my student, he has got a H1B, and then he went to US, and he is now working for World Bank. He's now working for World Bank project. Okay. So you have opportunities across the world on ServiceNow platform. You have high chances of getting on-site opportunities in ServiceNow platform, guys. Okay. So you have high chances of getting on-site opportunities in the ServiceNow platform, and you have remote jobs as well. You have good packages as well in ServiceNow platform. Okay. Well, I personally got 3 on-site opportunities, guys. One is for Netherlands, one is for Dubai, one is for US. Okay. So if you really do, if you spend at least 3 years, you will definitely get on-site opportunities. You can project yourself somewhere in the world. Okay. You can see yourself somewhere in the world. If you get on-site opportunities, definitely your expenses will be, you can make much, and you can your daily expenses you can accommodate it, and you can settle down in the UK or US or Canada somewhere. So you have opportunities across the world, guys. Believe me, you have opportunities in South Africa as well. You have opportunities in Japan. You have opportunities in Korea. You have opportunities in UK. You have opportunities in Germany. You have opportunities in Canada. You have opportunities in US. You have opportunities in Australia. So because the world is using, I mean, lots of companies are using ServiceNow platform. So that is why you have a lot of opportunities across the world. Okay. Then when it comes to the certification, so here to take the interviews, no need to have the certification. No need to have the certification. Okay. But it is good to have the certification, guys. If you have the certification, you will be given priority. Let us say you and your friend both went for an interview, and you and your both friend, did well in the interview. You both did well in the interview, but your friend is hired and you are not hired. That means your friend has certification. So if you have the certification, you will be given priority. So I'll teach you how to take the certification in coming sessions. Okay, in coming sessions, how to take the certification and all, I'll teach you. Okay. Well, guys, the training, the training will be started from tomorrow itself. Tomorrow at 11 a.m. Same training, 11 to 12. Okay, and I'll be the trainer for throughout this training. Uday Gadiparthi will be the trainer for this particular complete training. Daily 1 hour session. Okay, daily 1 hour session. So first 45 minutes will be the training, and last 15 minutes will be the question and answer session. Okay, it will be from Monday to Friday. It will be from Monday to Friday. Okay, the course duration will be 55 hours. 55 hours. Okay, course duration will be 55 hours, guys. So it will be from 11 a.m. to 12 a.m. I will be the trainer, daily 1 hour session from Monday to Friday, and 55 hours course duration, guys. Okay. Well, and what are the benefits that you are going to get as part of this training? So daily recorded session, course material, course materials, real-time scenarios, real-time project, real-time project, daily tasks, resume preparation, interview questions in the end, interview questions in the end, and interview support. Interview support in the sense it is not proxy, guys. Okay, I'll be supporting you when you are giving the interviews. If you are not able to do it well, you can just contact me. I'll be helping you how to answer those questions and all. Okay. What will be support also will be helping you. Certification support also will be helping you. Lab facility will be doing it. So those who are joining online, we will have a WhatsApp group in coming days. We will have a WhatsApp group, guys. Okay. Once you enroll, right, we'll have a WhatsApp group. In the WhatsApp group, we'll have a discussion. If you are not able when you are practicing, if you have any doubts, you can reach out us in the WhatsApp group so that we can reach out to you and solve your issue. Okay. Those who are joining online, so we'll have a WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, we'll have a discussion. If you have any issue when you are practicing, you can just stay in touch with us in the WhatsApp group so that we can contact you. Those who are coming offline, so you have lab here, you can sit here whenever you have doubt, you can come to me so that I can help you. Okay, that lab facility also we are providing. Okay, so these are all the services that we are actually providing, guys. Okay. So, well, as part of this training, ServiceNow administration will be covered, ServiceNow development will be covered, and ServiceNow implementation will be covered as part of this training. Okay. So here, guys, Here there are ServiceNow administration, development, and implementation. These three things will be covered as part of this training. So what exactly is administration? What exactly is development? What exactly is implementation? We have to understand it in detail. I have to explain what exactly admin does, what exactly the developer does, what exactly implementer does. Well, here, let me give you one example. Recently, Mahindra company has introduced a car called Thar. How many of you know Thar car, guys? How many of you know Thar car? Everyone? Okay. So they introduced the Thar car. Thar car was actually designed by implementer. Okay. The Thar car manufactured by developer. The Thar car was repaired by admin. Okay, let me give you an example here. Mahindra company has decided to introduce a um, new car for bachelors. Okay, Thar company has decided to introduce a new car for bachelors. So they came to conclusion that okay, we'll introduce a car for bachelors. So first they designed a car. Who will design the car? Implementer will design the car. So that is where implementation will come to picture. Implementer will design the car. After implementer design the car, developer will manufacture that car. After developer manufacturing the car, what will happen? We will sell those cars to people. We will sell those cars to people from the showrooms. So when the people are using the car, they get some issues. So when they get any issues, they come to service centers. So in the service centers, you will see admins. Admins are nothing but mechanics. Admins are nothing but mechanics. So likewise in ServiceNow also we have implementer role, we have developer role, we have admin role. So here implementer who will design something from zero, and developer will develop it, and admin will actually, when employees get any issues, admin will be solving those issues. So here developer roles are huge. Out of 100 roles, 70 roles are for developers. Developers and implementers, there will be 70 roles, and for admin roles there will be 30 roles. Okay. See, after completing this training, if you want to go as a developer, you can go as a developer. After completing this training, if you want to go as an admin, you can go as an admin. But remember, as a developer, you have a lot of openings. As an administrator, you have only limited openings. So here, guys, remember, implementer is the one who will design the car from the scratch, and manufacturer is actually the one developer who will manufacture the car after designing it, and admin is the one who will be repairing that car when they get when users are getting any issues. Okay, so here, to design a new car, he should have knowledge on each and every topic. He should have knowledge on each and every part of the car. So to manufacture the car, he should have knowledge on each and every part of the car. To repair the car, he should have knowledge on each and every part of the car. So that means implementer should have knowledge on each and every part of the car. Developer should have knowledge on each and every part of the car, and admin should have knowledge on each and every part of the car. So similarly, even though you want to become a implementer, you should have knowledge on each and every topic in ServiceNow. Even though you want to become a developer, you should have knowledge on each and every topic in ServiceNow. Even though you want to become an admin, you should have knowledge on each and every topic in ServiceNow. That means everyone should learn every topic in ServiceNow. Okay. No, sir, I want to become an admin. I will learn only a few topics. That won't work. Even though you want to become an admin, so even though you want to become an admin, you should have knowledge on each and every topic in ServiceNow. Even though you want to become a developer, so you should have knowledge on each and every topic in ServiceNow. Even though you want to become an implementer, you should have knowledge on each and every topic in ServiceNow. So let me ask you one question. Let us say you want to become a mechanic of a car. You want to become a car mechanic. Without having knowledge on each and every part of the car, can you become a mechanic, guys? Without having knowledge on each and every part of the car, can you become a mechanic, guys? Can you tell me? No, right? Very good. So even though you want to become a mechanic, you should have knowledge on each and every part of the car. So even though you want to become an admin, you should have knowledge on each and every topic in ServiceNow. Remember this point. So these are administration, development, implementation topics will be covered as part of this training. Okay. So after completing this training, if you want to become a ServiceNow admin, you can attend a interview service as a ServiceNow admin. After completing this training, if you want to attend as a ServiceNow developer, you can attend as a ServiceNow developer. After completing this training, if you want to attend as a ServiceNow implementer, you can attend as an implementer. Okay. So everyone should learn every topic in ServiceNow, guys. Okay. That is what you should do as part of this training. Somebody has asked a question. So after completing this training, how much experience do you get? So I am guaranteeing you, you will get 6 years experience in ServiceNow professional knowledge. Okay, you can upload your resume as if you have 6 years experience in ServiceNow. You will be able to crack the interview because here I am providing all the real-time scenarios, all the real-time challenges that I have got during my project execution. All the challenges, all the real-time scenarios, all the real-time project will be explained here as part of this training so that you will gain 6 years experience in ServiceNow professional knowledge. You will be able to crack the interview with a 6 years experience. Okay. Well, guys, now I am allowing you to ask the questions